5 things that you can do with ChatGPT. We are starting with our Artificial Intelligence Learning Series, AI Playbook. So, let's dive in. Let's start simple, with 5 things that you can do with ChatGPT. Write content, emails, blog posts, social media posts. Make images, for social media posts, party invites, simple motivational quotes. Summarize, long documents, long PDFs, long articles so that you can quickly put across those points in a meeting or in a public presentation or simply for your own learning. Brainstorm with AI. Yes, if you are facing a problem and issue, you can brainstorm with ChatGPT on what should be the way forward. You can make pretty thumbnails from ChatGPT for your YouTube channel.